So now we have Jeep Gladiator 2020. Okay, I'm going to explain you about the modifications on this car and the specs. We're going to launch their new cars with the same features, but Wrangler is only the one, and since too many years back they have these options already.
हेलो एवरीवन, सब टूर विद ताहिर के व्यूवर्स को वेलकम इस चैनल के ऊपर। और आज हम इस चैनल के ऊपर लेके आए हैं एक दुबई का बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेल रिप्यूटेड शोरूम और मेंटेनेंस गैराज सर्विस सेंटर ऑफ रोड जोन। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि मैं इनके स्पॉट पे आया हूँ और आज हम इनके बारे में हम पता करेंगे कि ये किस किस चीज़ में डील करते हैं, कौन कौन से इनके पास मेंटेनेंस और सर्विस पैकेजेस हैं। और जैसा कि मैं इंफॉर्मेशन के अकॉर्डिंग ये लीज़ पे भी गाड़ियाँ दे सकते हैं और देते हैं। इसके लिए ये आपको हम बताते चलेंगे इनके साथ जो हम इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करेंगे। थैंक यू। So guys, here we are at the garage itself, so you can see that they are doing some mechanical jobs here. So this is their tire center where they are replacing the tires and everything, and as you can see, you can take some overview. Okay guys, so you can see that this is a section where they're doing this major mechanical works like the related transmission, suspension, and already you can see there are 3 cars where this staff is working.
Part of the off-road zone garage. Thank you guys.
So, sir, in your opinion, since you are dealing with this model and the services related to it, we would like to ask you, what are the specific features that Wrangler is offering, but there is, unlike other models, other companies?
Okay, about the Wrangler, there is special things. The first thing, you can take the top off, full, the hard top, you can take it off, drive it topless, you can take the doors off, you can put the tube doors. That's the main important part which all other models are so far not offering. There are some other models, I don't want to mention the name, they're going to launch their new cars with the same features, but Wrangler is only the one, and since too many years back they have these options already, and it is unique car.
Okay, thank you so much. So we will be talking about the special models of the Wrangler. They have released a new model which is Jeep Wrangler Gladiator. They have launched it in 2020. So we will be having an overview and overlook of that car now.
Jeep Gladiator.
So now we have Jeep Gladiator 2020. Okay, I'm going to explain you about the modifications on this car and the specs. So basically what we have on this Jeep Gladiator, we put the 3.5-inch TerraFlex lift kit. Okay, we put the Falcon 3.3 adjustable shock absorbers, 35-inch BF Goodrich tires, KMC 17x9 rims, and Apex quick deflate valves. Front bumpers from the Smittybilt, and Smittybilt winch, 12,000 LPS. Then about the car comes with the 3.6 Pentastar engine, 285 horsepower, and it comes with the ZF transmission, 8-speed transmission. And the car comes with the full leather interior, 8.4-inch screen with the built-in navigation, blind spot system, leather dashboard, leather steering wheel, roof insulation. And the good thing on this car, there is one small subwoofer in the back which is removable, and it works with the Bluetooth. In case when you're camping, you can take the speaker out, put it on the side, and use it with your phone by Bluetooth. Good.
So that was our video for this garage. So first of all, thank you so much, Mr. Hakob, for this visit to this workshop. So viewers, we will be sharing all the details for this workshop and below. So you just have to, if you have to visit this workshop for any concern related to any 4x4 car or Jeep specifically, they are specialists for this. So they are located in Al Quoz itself, and as I told you that you can visit their website as well, and you can see the details in the description below. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.